A changing weather pattern. We enter March and we can say goodbye to high pressure and hello to some much needed rain. We've got a pattern unfolding that's going to bring us several days of rain chances, and those begin tomorrow. Outside tonight, let's show you what we've got here on the hill. The flags are moving in that southeast wind. We've had a good Gulf fetch just about all day. Temperature-wise, we're still above average. In fact, we're still above our average high at this time of night, 73 under cloudy skies. The south and southeast wind running about 14 miles per hour. In fact, let's talk about that. We've got good wind speeds, good wind gusts, all coming in from the southeast for the next several days. So you can even see some of those speeds as high as 25 miles per hour as we get into Thursday. Here's the deal. We're getting a lot of Gulf moisture in place, and all we're going to need is the trigger, and that's going to mean some pretty good rainfall amounts. Today's highs, it was also a warm one with the humidity. Upper 80s just about in every direction, almost mid-90s. Well, 93 is kind of a mid-90, isn't it? Pearsall, Cotulla, 88 Del Rio. All right, so here's the deal. High pressure just kind of flattening out, loosening. And now this ridge right in here, this is going to be this nice little trough that develops, and we get a Pacific front out of this. Probably going to get some bigger thunderstorms across North Texas. That's going to be the Wednesday system, and we get a little break on Thursday, okay? Then this big low develops out to the west. That's going to be a cutoff low. It's going to develop most of its rain for Saturday into Saturday night. But even as early as Friday and extended through Sunday, Monday into spring break, we're looking at several days of rain chances. But first things first, we've got a weather impact alert for tomorrow and early Thursday with hail and strong winds on an isolated thunderstorm possible, not probable. It's a very low probability. But you got to stay weather aware. Make sure you download the KENS 5 app and you'll have radar in the palm of your hand. But see, the Severe Prediction Center says, yes, a 1 out of 5 chance. You don't get lower, but it's there. It's not zero of seeing an isolated storm turn severe. And it does include San Antonio, the very eastmost portion of this, and the southern goes all the way to Eagle Pass. Now, future radar does not show us much. I mean, some scattered showers about 9 o'clock tomorrow morning, a little bit more in the afternoon. Some isolated action that we'll have to keep an eye on out to the west, but nothing really expected in San Antonio other than some scattered showers once again on Thursday morning. And so the other model does show us the same. Pretty much, again, scattered showers early on Wednesday and through the afternoon. Nothing too strong, but then as we get into Thursday, another isolated storm or two developing out to the west. And again, that's the Thursday break. Friday, Saturday, Sunday, take a look at this. Weather impact alerts that begin Friday will take us all the way through the weekend with chances running 40, 50, 60%. I think most of the rain is going to be falling on Saturday. And again, heavy at times, and we're expecting, once again, at least about 2 inches of rain when you talk about between tomorrow and even through Tuesday of next week. I mean, we're looking at a good 7 full days of good rain chances, maybe into Wednesday the 11th. And don't forget, we are changing the clocks. We spring ahead 1 hour this upcoming weekend. Nate's got sports next.